Hello everyone! In this video, we'll see how to integrate Eyeshot into a WinForms project using the Visual Studio extension menu. When you create a new WinForms project, you'll notice that the toolbox doesn't show any Eyeshot controls yet. To make them available, go to the Eyeshot menu in the Visual Studio toolbar. Beyond NuGet package integration, the Eyeshot menu also includes other helpful resources and functionalities. From here, you can choose Add NuGet Package for Desktop WinForms. This step adds the Eyeshot NuGet package to the project, and Visual Studio will automatically populate the toolbox. You'll now see Eyeshot controls like Design, Drawing, Manufacture, and Simulation ready to drag and drop. Just pick the control you need and drop it onto the form. The preset manager will appear, allowing you to choose a visual style. Click Load, and the Eyeshot control will be added to your form. That's how you get started with Eyeshot in Visual Studio. Thanks for watching.